about things that you can't control in social situations and in life in general. Oftentimes, we find ourselves in these difficult situations that may involve our family, friends, your significant other, or co-workers, any kind of social situation. They're often very difficult to maneuver skillfully and manage ourselves in those stressful times. And here's three things that you can acknowledge that you can't control so that you can finally let them go. And then just keep reminding yourself of these. And before you go into a social situation, or if you know something's going to be difficult, right? So the first one, and this is a big one, probably the most important one to ingrain in your head, is other humans' actions, words, or emotions. You can't control other people. We all know this, but a lot of us are hard-headed, and we try, right? We try to be loving towards them, or we try to give them something or our time and expect them to change over time for us. We've all heard the horror stories of people staying in relationships for years and years, giving the best of themselves for somebody that was never intending to change. They were just going with what the other was doing, right? The second one is natural phenomenon, and this is death of a loved one, the weather, passage of time, chance, who you're related to. These sorts of things just happen to us, and the sooner you can realize that you have no control over it, the quicker you can get over it, let it go, and focus on more important things. Some other natural phenomena to keep in mind are your body's needs. You need food, you need water, you need shelter, and you need sleep. That's a big one that a lot of people forget. You can't expect yourself to go days and days without eating properly or sleeping well, and then expect to be performing at your best for others and yourself. The third one is the exact outcome of anything can never be controlled by you. There's just too many variables in everything and all over the place that you'll drive yourself crazy trying to get a specific outcome. And it's better just to do your best and go with what happens. So to summarize, just remember that there's always far too many random events always occurring to control them, right? And letting go of what you can't control will free up vital mental bandwidth or energy to focus on what you can control. And these are your reactions and actions, where you put your time, how you talk to yourself, and how you conduct yourself, right? So just keep these things in mind, and I hope you have a great day.